Now I'm going to show y'all how overkill Knight Transportation is when it comes to getting fuel for your truck. This is our card. Knight Transportation. There's my rewards card. So watch all this bullshit we have to do. Then you need to put this one in. DOT number is going to be that number right there. So it's going to be 6100702. Enter. We need the tractor. Trip number is gonna be 2887742. Enter. Driver ID HRCRY. Enter. Hub reading 686. Enter. We don't want no money. We don't want nothing. We just want to hurry up and get the fuck out of here. Okay, continue. Let's get the fuck on. All that bullshit to get some fuel. Yeah, Knight Transportation, fucking retarded. Overkill like a motherfucker.